Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hackett. Today we're coming to you from Everglades. We're stepping on board the 315 center console. Remember, Ramcat patented construction for the ultimate comfort and performance in ride. This is a 56-mile-an-hour boat, and that comes from the Mercury V10 400s. Giddy up and go all day to the grounds. Get out there first and get home quick. The cockpit on this boat is all about fishing. I have seating for 4 in the aft end. I have rod holders behind me, 2 massive live wells, and then I have a rear-facing mezzanine seat with bolstered and armrest, and I have storage underneath that. On the port side, I have a boarding door, or you can bring that fresh catch inside as well. Rocket launcher overhead, and the teak accents in the back here as well. This boat has a LOA of 33 feet 9 inches. She's got a 10-foot 4-inch beam. Plenty of storage all over this boat, including for your phone. Now let's talk about the patented Everglades windshield. I love this thing because it's electrically actuated, goes down. I can let the breeze in, or if we get a little weather, I can button this thing all the way up. I have twin Garmin array. I have my Mercury power controls. I also have the Mercury Skyhook. What's the advantage of that? I can hold it on station if I want. I can ease it in and out of the dock if I want. Then we have a zip weight to add for the most comfortable ride going. Then check out these helm chairs, absolutely luxurious. I love the color combination in here. The tan seats with the teak accents really make this boat pop. 6'1", I got plenty of space in the head. This boat is so beautifully detailed. 2 forward-facing loungers that are released marine seats. And then I have a massive lounger in the front, again, teak accents, and I have access to the windlass up here. But really at the end of the day, I can take all these cushions off and fish up here super easy. This Everglades 315 center console has it all, and it does it all. You can fish it hard or you can take it to the sandbar, and the details are spectacular. What you need to do is step on board, see all the refinements, and take her for a sea trial.